Good morning, children. Today we will be doing the numericals on Arrhenius equation. This is your first numerical. Look at that. And this numerical came in board exam in the year 2009. For a decomposition reaction, the values of rate constants are given below. K1 is given. K2 is also given at two different temperatures, 650 Kelvin and 700 Kelvin. We have to calculate activation energy for this reaction. So first of all, we have to write what are the things given. So here we can write in this way: K1 is equal to 2.15 into 10 to the power minus 8 liter per mole per second, and K2 is equal to 2.39 into 10 to the power minus 7 liter per mole per second. T1 here it is your 650 Kelvin, T2 700 Kelvin, and what is being asked? EA question mark. Since in the equation we take R, capital R, gas constant, so its value also should be written here. R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So Arrhenius equation is Arrhenius equation. What is that Arrhenius equation? Log K2 by K1. Log K2 by K1. Log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Already we have derived in the previous class. Now substitute the values here. Log. What is the log? What is the value of K2? 2.39 into 10 to the power minus 7 liter per mole per second by 2.15 into 10 to the power minus 8 liter per mole per second. Generally the students are not using, even in the side books also, the units are not being generally used while solving the numerical. Into is equal to, what is EA? This we have to calculate, is a 2.303 into 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. This also can be written as T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. Now, after taking the LCM, so let us take in that way. Let us write in that form. Here will be what? T1 into T2 by T2 minus T1. So put the values there. It will be 700 minus 700 Kelvin minus 650 Kelvin by 650 Kelvin into 700 Kelvin. 700 Kelvin. Now these two gets cancelled, these two units. Now here is your 10 to the power minus 8. When it goes up, it will be your 10 to the power 8. So 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power 8, that will be equals to 10 to the power 1. So 10 should be multiplied with this. So we are getting log 23.9 by 2.15 is equal to EA divided by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, and here will be equals to what? 50 Kelvin by 650 Kelvin into 700 Kelvin. So 1 Kelvin gets cancelled there. This Kelvin also gets cancelled. Now it will be, this one can be written as log this divided by this. We are getting 11.12. 11.12 is equal to EA by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per mole into 50 by 650 into 700. So this is the unit only. Then make EA activation energy as this subject. Okay, what's the value of this? Log 11.12. First of all, you make this one as the subject. So EA is equal to log 11.12 into 2.303 into 8.314 joule per mole into 650 into 700 divided by 50. Log 11.12. For this value, characteristic is 1. Characteristic कितना है इसमें? 1. And from the log table, we'll go for 11 का 1, उसके बाद mean difference में 2, and the value is your, I have written there, the value is 1.0461. It will be 1.0461. Is it clear to you? इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कितना है? 1. और 11 का फ्रॉम द लॉग टेबल यू सी 11 का 1 देख लो और मीन डिफरेंस में 2 देख लो. We will getting 1.0461 into 2.303 into 8.314 joule per mole into 650 into 700 divided by 50. Divided by 50, and that comes 182271. 182271 joule per mole. Since the magnitude of this answer is your big, so divide it by 1000 and convert it into kilojoule. So it will be your 182.271 kilojoule per mole. Is it clear to you? So first of all, you read the numerical nicely, you write what are the things given, what is being asked, and then go for its solution. But don't forget to write the units in the numerical. So let's go for another numerical. This is another numerical. The rate constants of a reaction at 500 Kelvin and 700 Kelvin are 0.02 per second and 0.07 per second respectively. And we have to calculate activation energy and capital A, that is your Arrhenius constant. So again we will go for क्या दिया हुआ है उसको लिखो, क्या मांग रहा है उसको लिखो. So here is your solution. T1 500 Kelvin, T2 पढ़ के जाओ, लिख दे जाओ 700 Kelvin. This is your K1 and K2. K1 0.02 per second, K2 0.07 per second, and EA question mark, Arrhenius constant question mark, and since R is used here, so we will be taking R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Then go for Arrhenius equation. From Arrhenius equation, in this particular we will go for log, why not 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2, उल्टा चलेंगे ऐसे, log K2 by K1 is equal to 2.3, no, EA by 2.303 R into T1 into T2. Here will be T2 minus T1. This form of the equation we will consider. Right there, log K2 कितना 0.07 per second, 0.02 per second is equal to EA by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole into, here will be कितना हुआ 700 Kelvin minus 500 Kelvin. Here will be T1 is your 500 Kelvin into 700 Kelvin. Simply you substitute the values along with the units. This being cancelled, units ये भी कट गया, decimal भी उड़ गया. 7 by 2 is what? 3.5. So we will be writing log 3.5 is equal to EA by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, and here will be equals to कितना 200 Kelvin and here 500 Kelvin into 700 Kelvin. 1 Kelvin gets cancelled. दूसरी वाली Kelvin यहाँ से cancelled हुआ. So the unit of activation energy comes in the form of joule per mole. अब log 3.5 कितना होगा यहाँ? log 3.5. The characteristic is 0. The characteristic is 0. 35. Look at here. 3.5 can be written as 3.5 0. अब log टेबल में इसको देखो, 35 का 0 और 35 का 0 is your 5441. Is it? ठीक है. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस इज जो 0 और 35 का 0 देखना, बिकॉज 3.5 कैन बी रिटन एज 3.50. सो 35 को हम क्या लिखेंगे 0 में फ्रॉम द लॉग टेबल विल गेट 5441 इज इक्वल टू EA by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per mole into 200 by 500 into 700. यहाँ पर सॉल्व भी कर सकते हो. I hope all of you are following. So this same one can be written, थोड़ा ऊपर लिख दो. Next step. So EA activation energy is equal to 0.5441 into 2.303 into 8.314 joule per mole into 500 into 700 divided by 200. Now it can be written as 18231 is equal to, I am solving, 18231.4 joule per mole. Again here the magnitude of the answer is very high, large. So convert it into kilojoule. Then divided by 1000 करेंगे तो ये डेसिमल इधर आ गया. So it can be written as 18.23. Let it be 1 only. 4 हटा किलोजूल पर मोल. यहाँ तक तो क्लियर है. नहीं, नेक्स्ट इज योर नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज the Arrhenius constant A. We have to calculate the Arrhenius constant A, and it is written, it is there, log K is equal to minus EA by 2.303 RT or log K is equal to minus EA by 2.303 R plus log A. So log A, अगर हम इसको छोड़ दें तो ये this one will go to that side and will become minus, will become plus. So we are writing log A. यहाँ पर एंटी लॉग का यूज है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना. log A is equal to what it will be there, log k plus EA by 2.303 R. So what is the value of k? K का वैल्यू एक पार्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर, कोई भी टेम्परेचर का ले लो, आइदर 500 केल्विन का लो और 700 केल्विन का लो. वी आर टेकिंग हियर ऑफ 500. यहाँ पर इसके लिए हमको चाहिए, यहाँ पर गिवन लिखना पड़ेगा. गिवन क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? T is your 500 Kelvin, K is 0.02 per second, और EA we have calculated as 18231 18231.4 जूल पर मोल. और क्या चाहिए हमें? R तो हमने ले चुका, K हमने लिया, T हो गया तुम्हारा 500 केल्विन. So now log, what is the value of K? 0.02 per second plus EA value is 18231.4 joule per mole divided by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. और यहाँ टेम्परेचर कितना है? 500 केल्विन. 500 केल्विन. केल्विन केल्विन गेट्स कैंसिल, पर मोल कैंसिल, जूल और जूल कैंसिल. सो यहाँ थोड़ा सा देखना. और इट इज कांस्टेंट. थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ थोड़ा सेकंड हटा दो ना. व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन? log 0.02. its characteristic is your 2 bar. Characteristic is 2 bar. और और 20 का 0 देखो, 20 का 0. log table. कितना 3010 सेकंड होगा. 3010 प्लस, इसको सॉल्व करने से 1.904. अब इसको सॉल्व कर लो. थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना, -2 प्लस 0.3010 प्लस 1.904. Solve कर लो. These two you add, you have 4, 1, नहीं, 0 will be there. It was 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5, 0, here will be 903, 12, 1, and here 1 plus 1, 2, ये -2. अब घटा दो, क्या मिलेगा? 0.2050. Then we go for A is equal to antilog 0.2050. This way of calculation is not shown in the book, so pay attention nicely, and if it is not clear, you can ask in your doubts. अब antilog 0.2050 can be written as, थोड़े से ध्यान दो, these are, sorry. A is equal to 0.20 का 5 देख लो, 0.20 का 5, it is your 0.603. अपने से एक डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल यहाँ डालते हैं. हाँ, व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हियर? 0. तो यहाँ पे लिख दो 10 to the power 0. And any number to the power 0 is your 1. So 1.603 into 1, that equals to 1.603. I hope it is clear. Let's go for another. Now this is another numerical, which is different from other two. The rate of a reaction increases 4 times when the temperature changes from 300 Kelvin to 320 Kelvin, and you have to calculate the activation energy. So here it is your go for solution. That is your increases 4 times. I mean to say that K2 is equal to 4 into K1 according to the question. Now K2 is equal to 4 into K1, and what is the value here? T1 कितना? 300 Kelvin. T2 कितना? 320 Kelvin. E a question mark, and R is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. ये कभी दे भी सकते हैं, कभी नहीं भी दे सकते, means you have to learn it. Then Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation से हमें मिला log K2 by K1. ये यहाँ से रिलेशन ले लेंगे. Log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R into T1 into T2. Here will be T2 minus T1. दूसरा फॉर्म भी है ये. Go ahead. Log since K2 is equal to 4 K1, so K2 by K1 will be equals to 4. तो यहाँ लिख देंगे log 4 is equal to EA by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole into कितना 320 Kelvin minus 300 Kelvin into 320 Kelvin. अब यहाँ देखेंगे the characteristic of this number is 0. उसके बाद देखेंगे 4 can be written as 4.00. तो 40 का 0 देखेंगे. क्या देखेंगे? 40 का 0 from the log table. अब 40 का 0 है 6021. It will be 6021 is equal to EA by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole into ये कितना है 20 Kelvin divided by 300 Kelvin into 320 Kelvin. Kelvin gets cancelled. एक Kelvin इधर आ गया तो joule per mole. So EA is equal to 0.6021 into 2.303 into 8.314 joule per mole into 300 into 320 divided by 20, and the answer becomes, on solving, the answer आएगा 55327 55327.6 joule per mole. Again your bigger math. EA is equal to 55327.6 joule per mole divided by 1000 करेंगे तो कितना होगा 55.327 kilojoule per mole. I hope the numericals are clear to you. You must solve the numericals in this way. Thank you.